Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change and add languages for Salesforce users. This is incredibly useful if you're managing a multilingual team or working with international colleagues, as it allows everyone to use Salesforce in their preferred language. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to access the Setup menu. Look for the gear icon at the top right of your Salesforce interface and click it. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Setup. This is your central hub for all administrative configurations in Salesforce. Once you're in Setup, locate the Quick Find box on the left side of the screen, type Language Settings into this search box, and then click on Language Settings from the results. This will take you to the language configuration area where you can control which languages are available across your organization. On the Language Settings page, you'll see an option that says Enable End User Languages. Check this box to activate the feature. This is a crucial step because it unlocks the ability for users to select their own language preferences rather than being locked into a single default language. Now you'll see two columns on the screen. On the left, you'll find Available Languages, which shows all the languages Salesforce supports. On the right, you'll see Displayed Languages, which are the languages your users can actually choose from. Click on the languages you want to make available from the Available Languages list, then click the Add button to move them over to Displayed Languages. This gives your users control over their language experience while keeping your options organized. Once you've added all the languages you need, click Save to confirm your changes. Your organization-wide language settings are now configured, and it may take a moment for these changes to process. Next, let's set your own language preference. Click on your profile picture at the top right of the screen and select Settings from the drop-down menu. This takes you to your personal settings area. In the left sidebar, you'll see another Quick Find box. Type Language and Time Zone into this search field and click on Language and Time Zone from the results. This section controls your personal display settings. You'll now see a drop-down menu labeled Language. Open this drop-down and browse through the available languages that you just configured. Select your preferred language from the list. This change will affect how Salesforce appears to you specifically. Click Save to apply your personal language preference. Give it a moment to update, as Salesforce will need to reload certain interface elements in your chosen language. Now, if you need to set the language for other users in your organization, click the gear icon again and return to Setup. In the Quick Find box, type Users and click on Users from the results. This will show you a list of all users in your Salesforce organization. Find the user whose language you want to change and click the Edit link next to their name. This opens their user profile settings where you can make various adjustments. Scroll down until you find a section called Locale Settings. Within this section, you'll see a language drop-down menu. Open this drop-down and select the appropriate language for that user. This ensures they'll see Salesforce in their preferred language the next time they log in. Finally, click Save to apply the language change for that user. And there you have it. You've successfully configured language settings at both the organizational level and for individual users, making Salesforce accessible and comfortable for your entire multilingual team. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.